this angle, in this view, we're gonna go ahead and show you the Everyfun massage gun used with lotion or oil or cream or whatever you want to use for the body. Just making sure it's something that can glide and smoothly go across the muscles and the bones. Nothing crazy. So when you get some sort of idea about what I need to put on the body, just do some research, or I'll have a link in the description below where you can click on certain type of oils that are good for your body, like carrier oils. If you're gonna mix it with aromatherapy oil and all that other good stuff, you may need to use a carrier oil. And what type of coconut oil? Is it gonna be fractionated? Is it gonna be refined, unrefined? All that good stuff, okay? So the massage gun, just one click. We're gonna go to level 2. And let's just say we're gonna work the side of the body. So you take the client's arm, you have your chair here. If your chair is low, just move it up. So I'm gonna put the massage gun down. And so see how the arm bends kind of down? I need to move up. So now her arm just rests right on my leg. Level 2. And you check in with your client and see how it feels. How's it feel, bro? Not too bad? Okay.
No, thank you.
Nothing crazy?
Bad.
Nothing like this there. Make sure you take care of those arms. You can move your chair a little forward to lengthen out the arm, so where their whole arm kind of rests on your leg. This hand just braces their arm so it doesn't fall off. Or you can switch hands. Just when you switch, this one holds while you put the massage gun in this hand. Okay? And we're going to get the inside of the palm and the forearm. Take your massage gun, switch it over. This hand goes on top of their forearm. Slide down, flip on over like a pancake. This hand, take that thumb and curl it so the arm can be exposed to the forearm. But you're being gentle the whole time, you know, gentle bend. Or whoever your name is, gentle, whoever, be gentle. Get that bicep. All right. In between the shoulder blade. You can use the chair or you can either stand up. Let's go to level 4. This one's a little crazy, but for those athletes who do crazy things, CrossFit, other type of activities, balancing your woman on the wall, whatever it is, you need to do what you gotta do to alleviate those muscles. Because all that work that night, oh, yeah, your muscles are going to be screaming in the morning. But in a good way, we all know. Get the rib cage. And it may seem like this is hurting her, but this is rubber. It's soft. So it may feel a little vibrative, you know, annoyance at times, but it's soft. It's not really digging in like the bullet would dig in, okay? Bigger Y shape. On. We're gonna start off on level 2. So say we have the arms again and they're on the table. Assign the body. Like I said, she's perfectly in shape for this type of movements. But somebody like me or heavier, yeah, no, this is not going to fit in the rib cage exactly how it fit in hers. So she's the perfect model. I'm going to put in the neck. And let's go to another. And you guys have seen how the ball works in the other massage videos, but let's go ahead and use the cooler piece, or the piece that actually retains heat or cool. It's gonna be cold to the body, so we let our client know like, hey, how's this feel? A little cold. So, right, so it's a little cold, but not too much. But imagine putting it in the refrigerator before you use it. The client is super hot. They came out of the sauna or whatever, they mad at their significant other, heated. So if they're on red, you need to cool them down. Let's go to level 2. But let them know before you put it on the body, it's gonna be a little cold. See how easy it slides. It's like I said, like butter, and moves. And it's not as jarring as the other massage heads. Even over the bony landmarks, it doesn't bounce back as much as the other ones do. So let's go up another level, or 2 to be exact. And see, this one is kind of rough because it's like it's at the level of maximum effort. So as I stated before, it's not as hard or rough. It moves across the body evenly. Doesn't give you any jolting like da 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 when it hits a bony landmark. So that's why I like the smoother hit. It's awesome.